The benefits of learning English, a life-changing story. Have you ever wondered how learning English can change your life? Let me tell you a short story. Rahim lived in a small, quiet village. Life there was simple. People worked hard during the day and rested peacefully at night. Rahim was honest and hardworking, but deep in his heart, he felt something was missing. He dreamed of a better future, one filled with opportunities and growth. One day, a new teacher came to the village school. Her name was Miss Lena, and she taught English. Most villagers believed English was only for rich people or those living abroad. Rahim thought the same, but curiosity pushed him to attend her class. The first day was difficult. English words sounded strange. Rahim made mistakes and sometimes he felt embarrassed. But Miss Lena smiled and said something powerful. Learning English is not about being perfect, it's about progress. Those words changed Rahim's mindset. Every evening after a long day of work, Rahim practiced English. He listened to lessons on his phone, read simple sentences, and spoke English aloud, even when no one was listening. Day by day, his confidence grew. Slowly, English stopped feeling like a foreign language. One afternoon, something unexpected happened. A group of foreign tourists came to the village. They were lost and couldn't communicate with anyone. The villagers tried to help, but failed. Rahim stepped forward and spoke in English. His grammar wasn't perfect, but his message was clear. The tourists smiled with relief. That moment made Rahim realize something important. English is a global language. It connects people. It breaks barriers. From that day on, Rahim took learning English seriously. He started watching educational videos in English, reading online articles, and learning new skills. English opened the door to the internet, knowledge, and endless opportunities. A year later, Rahim applied for a job in the city. The interview was in English. Fear tried to stop him, but confidence pushed him forward. He spoke clearly, honestly, and calmly. A few days later, Rahim received the call. He got the job. That job didn't just change Rahim's income, it changed his life. He supported his family, helped his village, and inspired others. Parents began encouraging their children to learn English. Rahim even started teaching English in the evenings. Rahim never forgot where he came from. He didn't lose his culture or language. Instead, he added a new skill to his life. And that's the true benefit of learning English. It gives you confidence, it gives you knowledge, it gives you a voice in the global world. So remember, learning English is not just about language, it's about unlocking your future. Thank you for watching. If you found this story inspiring, like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content.